Saan sa?
Ikaw sa mangga. Ganin mo yan ba? Bahala ka na natutuan.
Sige, ano yan?
Hindi mo na.
Sige na, dali na.
Smaller number divided by rate.
Ano, smaller number divided by rate. Larger number.
Wow, basic. Smaller number divided by larger number.
Rate.
Oh, diba? Ganun ba?
So, ibig sabihin kung alin doon yung smaller. Kung alin doon ang wala, di ba? May given yan sila, dalawa. Dalawa yung given nila. Di, kung ano yung nawawala, di yun ang i-compute.
Oo nga, bakit sabi ko kanina multiply? Ano na dali na?
O, sige na.
Applicability nito, yung mga ganyan, computation ng commission, capitalization,
Oh.
real property taxation, real
Sige, sige
estate
nga.
investment,
Subject, anong tawag nun? Problem.
problem. Ano, ito, yung sa basic math naman ng commission.
Oh.
Gamitin mo yan amount of commission, yung if the broker is entitled to a 5% commission and the broker receives 68,000, how much was the basis of the commission? Gamitin mo to.
Oh, tapos na yun.
Gumawa ka ng formula na gano'n.
Ay, hindi ano.
Hindi, gayahin mo yung ganito.
Oh, 60,000. Oh, divided by rate na 5% equals, 60,000 divided by 0.05 equals 1.2 million. Oh.
Diba? 1.2.
Oh, marunong na.
Tapos, ito naman. Natanong ko na sa'yo din yung sa capitalization.
Yung hindi pa na-
Ulitin ko, gawin mong ganyan ulit.
Oh.
What should be the estimated annual net income from a commercial building if the capitalization rate is 8% and the estimated value of the property is 10 million?
10 million ang property, tapos 8% yung times 8%. Oh, 10 million times 0.08. Oh, 800,000.
Oh, yan.
Oh,
Tapos,
ano pa?
next naman. Iba naman to sa assessment naman.
Oh, assessment
Gamitin
na.
mo ulit yung
Ito yung formula.
Your father owned a lot in a residential area. With the following data, lot area equals 200 square meters, market value equals 3,500 per square meter, assessment level is 20%.
Oh, ay, teka muna. 3,500 per square, tapos 200 square meters.
Oo.
Oh, market
Assessment level niya 20%.
assessment level. Oh. Tapos
Compute for the assessed value of the property.
200 square meters kasi 200 square meters times 3.5. 200 times 3.5
Dapat
is
tuloy mo yung ganito so that yung pagka-pin niya dito para nagawa ka mabilis lang.
200. Ay, madami pang kukumputin eh. 200 square meters times 3.5 equals 700,000. 700,000. Ang assessment value is 20%. So, 720,000 times 20%. 700,000 times 20% is 140,000. Anong tanong?
Compute for the assessed value of the property.
140,000.
Oh, tama.
Oh.
Note, tax due or familiar equals assessed value times tax rate. Basis for tax due is the assessed value, not the fair market value. Next. Ano naman to? Profit naman. If an investor purchased a parcel of land for 1 million and sold it for 1 million, 1.5 million. First question, how much was the profit of the investor?
500,000.
Tapos, second question, how much is the percent of the profit of the investor?
50%.
50?
Oo.
Next.
Ano lang yun. Ano lang yun.
Next.
Isip-isip lang yun. Wala nang competition yun.
Jenny bought a 500 square meter lot at 1,500 per square meter on an installment basis. She paid 30% down payment and the balance is payable in 3 years. Compute for the down payment amount.
Ulit, 1,500 per square meters times 500.
Oo.
Ika, 1,500 times 500 square. 750,000. Tapos, ilang percent down payment?
30.
Times 30% is 225,000.
Oh.
Ang balance is 750,000 times. Paano payment ng balance?
How much is the down payment amount?
Down payment is 225,000.
Next. Jenny bought a 500 square meter lot at 1,500 per square meter on an installment basis. She paid 30% down payment and the balance is payable in 3 years at 15% per annum. Given amortization factor is 0.01234. Compute for the amortization.
Anak, 0.01234 1, 2, 3, 4 times 525 times, hindi, 750 times 0.70% is 525 times 0.01234 equals 6,478.50.
Yan, tama.
Oh.
Next, you have just closed the sale of a 700 square meter commercial lot in Pasig. The selling price agreed upon is 35,000 per square meter. You have to advise the seller who has agreed to pay all the expenses. What amount should he indicate for the capital gains tax and documentary stamp tax check? The zonal valuation of the lot is 37,000 per square meter. Compute for the capital gains tax and documentary stamp tax.
700 square meters times 35,000. Tama? 700 times 35,000 equals 24,500,000. Ang kukumputin ay capital gains tax. Teka, magkano zonal?
37,000.
So, 37 dapat ang kukumputin. 37,000 times 700. So, ang zonal ay base at 25,900 times 0.06%. Capital gains tax is 1,554,000.
Tapos,
Ano isa? DST?
DST.
37,000 times 700 times 0.015. 388,500.
Note. CGT 6%, DST 1.5%, transfer tax 0.50% pag province, 0.75 pag NCR. The basis of surcharges and penalties is the amount due, not the tax base. Tapos balik ka dito. Tapos ano yung computation kanina, yung T formula or T method. Tapos next. Hindi na to math. Ano?
Hindi ko alam yan.
Blank is the principal source of revenue for most government functions.
Taxation. Ano yun?
Tama naman na tax. Anong klaseng tax?
Income tax.
Mali pa din.
Ano yun?
Real estate taxes.
Anong ang question?
Blank is the principal source of revenue for most government functions. Di ba kaya nga sila malaki mangolekta ng mga amilyar, may pa-penalty pa sila. Kasi nga madami nagmamayari na kung ano.
Sige.
Tapos, blank is the burden or charge imposed on persons, including juridical persons or property, or a proportional contribution levied by the sovereign to raise money for the support of the government and to enable it to discharge its appropriate function.
Hindi ko alam eh. Interest, penalty. Hindi ko alam yan.
Ulitin ko.
Hindi ko alam yan. Huwag na ulit-ulit. Hindi ko talaga alam yan.
Tax.
Ang basa pa nga ako eh.
Tax.